On this video today, we're going to be talking about a 1965 LSX GTO that we custom built a full center console in. The customer had actually did an LSX swap on this vehicle and a 6-speed swap, so the whole entire transmission tunnel had to be completely modified and raised. So also the actual electronics and fuse panel and fuse block is all located on top of the actual transmission tunnel. If you watch in the beginning of this video, it will show you. So we had our work cut out for us for building the center console to be able to fit over all those things and put the radio in that basically sits on top of the fuse panel and all the wiring. So this actual radio has a single DIN chassis to be able to fit it, but also has a double DIN face. So all the pieces that were made on this are also modular to where they will come up with neodymium magnets, so that way if he has to access any wiring or fuses or anything that would have a problem, he could actually get in there and do that himself. All the pieces were handcrafted and handmade, also covered in leather, carbon fiber. There's lots of different materials that we used on this particular center console to make it look like it was retro or made for the vehicle itself. We also did a Sony double DIN head unit that has Bluetooth in it. We also took the steering wheel actual rim off and recovered it because he had a lot of tears and lacerations in the steering wheel, so we fixed all that for him as well. In all, we put a lot of hard work into the center console, and if you watch throughout the video, it will kind of show how much hard work and determination put into this to make it look like it was part of the vehicle. We actually have made the center console almost 2 to 3 times because we made it, we didn't like parts of it, we changed it, and then this is the actual final product of what has actually came out with it, and we are super happy with the way it turned out.